Hey guys, Lee with Utah Trailer Pros here. Got something pretty exciting to share with you today. We've got one of our 7x16 Raynger toy haulers, off-road toy haulers. Just had a bathroom installed. We're calling it our full bath half kitchen. And you can get these with a stove and a sink, or just the sink. This one we did just the sink in. It's got a water pump, all the fixings down here. The toilet where we're just about to install right here, and then your shower. Your sliding barn door. And we can put these in any size Raynger, 13 footer, 16, 18, 20. You can reach out to us at 801-285-0464 or email us at utahtrailerpros@gmail.com or visit us at utahtrailerpros.com. Thanks for joining.